Hey guys, I'm Dennis, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit photo just like this in Lightroom. Okay, so before we jump into Lightroom, I just want to let you know that you can download this preset actually for free. You just follow the links down below and yeah, it's pretty easy. Just follow the instructions. Okay, right now let's just jump into Lightroom. Okay, so here we are now in Lightroom and let's just jump into edit. So this is the photo of me. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change the temperature. We're gonna put it to 6129. We're gonna bring the tint down to +2. Next thing, we're gonna bring the contrast up to +22. The highlights down to -50. And shadows also down to -10. We're gonna bring the whites down to -20. And blacks up to +20. Okay, clarity up to +17. And dehaze up to +15. Okay, well, let's put it 17. We're gonna bring the vibrance up to +50. And we're gonna bring the saturation down to -40. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go straight down into color. And we're gonna go with the red color first. We're gonna bring the hue up to +10, saturation down to -30, and the luminance down to -35. Orange color next, we're gonna bring the hue down to -5, saturation down to -20, and the luminance down to -15. Yellow color next, we're gonna bring the hue down to -70. Saturation down to -90 and the luminance down to -20. Green color next. We're gonna bring the hue down to -100, the saturation of green down to -70 and the luminance down to -75. Aqua color next. We're gonna bring the hue down to -50. Saturation down to -90 and the luminance down to -50. Blue color next. We're gonna bring the saturation down to -80 and luminance down to -40. Let's say 42. Okay, we're gonna bring the purple saturation down to -100, hue down to -33. And luminance up to +83. Magenta saturation down to -100, hue down to -35, and luminance we leave the way it is. Alright, the colors are done. Next thing we have to do is split toning. Okay, so for split toning we're gonna bring the hue up to +5 and the saturation to 10. Shadows, we're gonna bring the hue up to 40. So now we're gonna add like this yellow gold tone and the saturation a little bit more. So let's say +13 is good. This color, yeah, this color is okay. Okay, so next important thing is we're gonna go to tone curve. Okay, so when it comes to tone curve, it's super important that you do exactly the way how I do it. You can just do like every little detail like I do it, or just download the preset which you already know. So let's just jump into Lightroom. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the tone curve from the photo. Sync, check none. Tone curve is applied. So the tone curve is applied. I just copy and pasted the tone curve from the previous photo that I edited. So this is the tone curve that it is. RGB. This is the RGB tone curve. This is the red one, green, and blue. So just do it exactly the way it is, or just download the preset however you like. You can download it for free, you already know that. Alright, nearly done. The last thing, we're gonna just adjust the exposure let's say -15. Yeah, and as you guys already know, I always like to add a little bit grain more. Let's say +10, that's fine. And the vignette, I think -8 should be fine. Yeah, that's the look that I want to do it. Alrighty, and that's it. Let's see before and after.
And that's it. Guys, I hope you like this tutorial, and I would really appreciate for any kind of support or any kind of like and subscribe would mean a lot. And anyway, we'll see us in the next video. Peace.